How to fix Expedia app won't let me sign in. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to fix Expedia app won't let me sign in issue, firstly make sure to check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and restart your router if needed. If this is not the problem, then you have to switch your networks. If using cellular data, you can switch to Wi Fi or vice versa. Furthermore, make sure to update the application. Simply, you have to launch Play Store or App Store and search for Expedia Travel, Hotel, and Flight application. Make sure it is the original and official app. If there are any update button, select update and update it to the latest version. Once done, you need to check whether you are able to sign in or not. If not, launch settings or simply you can tap and hold Expedia app and tap app info. Now you have to select storage uses and tap clear cache to clear all the cache and glitches of the app. Now, lastly, make sure to reinstall the application. For that, you can head towards Play Store or App Store, open and search for Expedia and tap on install. Select on install button and later from the same Play Store or App Store tap install button and install it to the um, device. So following this all the steps, you can easily resolve login issues with the Expedia app. I hope this video was helpful and guide too. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.